Yes, yes.
The boy Christopher. Yes.
Today's topic. Today's topic is anti-aging. So what kind of cream?
I'm gonna go wash my face and
So
I'll
what?
put on my earring.
So what kind of advice do you have for us 30-somethings and 40-somethings and 20-somethings when it come on to facial care and keeping the wrinkles at bay and general skincare in generally?
Really, it is general. But I can only give you my experience. And my experience is that I do nothing to my face.
What do you mean by?
Keep it clean.
Then that
I don't wash it every minute. And I don't even have a particular mirror.
Talk up becoming a face that people can't hear you. Come again.
Okay. I don't do anything to my face, and I think that's the best way to keep it in order. And I wash it with my hands. I have little face rags that I keep clean. And by keeping clean, I mean like antibacterial thing, I wash them in. And so I was listening one time to a program ages ago. And the doctor, it was a call-in program, and the young miss was saying how she has bumps and she has this and she has the other. And the doctor was saying what she does with her face, and she said she wash it and she put this and he said, what you use, your hands or a rag? And she said she have rags, special rags for her face.
What the rag make out of?
He didn't ask her that, but I imagine it was cotton. But they have some acrylic ones. You can't even dry face with it because it's no ring dry.
Oh, so you said don't use no face cream nor nothing like that. What to the like called black soap and so on?
Black soap.
What about Aveeno?
Then you talk so long. Yes.
So what kind of soap you use to wash your face? What the name of the soap?
Protex. What do you?
Protex? So what about Black Castile?
Me don't know them. I see them in a supermarket.
So you don't use those?
Here, my man, me trying to tell us, the doctor say use your hands. Whatever the changes on your face, if it's in a little pimple or so, you will feel it. When you're washing with your hands, I can feel when it's clean.
So do you put on face cream at night?
At night? Then I couldn't sleep if I do that.
So you wouldn't recommend putting on face cream?
No. Well, let me tell you, people's skin are different. Each person's skin is different. With my skin, if I put on a cream to go to bed, I'm sure I would feel stifled. Because when I do it in the day, when I used to do it, I used to put on face cream and smooth it down and so. And by the time I reach work, I wash my face because I cannot stand it.
So you just must keep your face clean.
Yeah, no.
So what about the anti-wrinkle creams? Those work?
I don't use those. You just keep it clean. I mean squeaky clean where you wash off your skin, and tear it off. I mean, soak it up gently with your hands and wash it, and you feel when it's clean. And do no special nothing on the eye, because the skin on the eye, I learned how long ago now, is the most delicate skin on your whole body. The skin under your eye, easily damaged. So I just wash my face and pat it, and the main thing is to pat it dry down. The direction in which you handle the face is the direction in which it goes. So if you have rag and towel, wipe it down hard, and so eventually your face come down. That's why people keep doing the something, what you call it, to pull it up, pull it.
Facelift.
Facelift. But if you handle the face.
So have you had any plastic surgery done on your face?
Plastic?
Have you had any plastic surgery done on your face?
Plastic surgery?
Have you had any work done?
No, plastic surgery.
Okay. So there you have it, people. The wonderful words of Miss Ann Bodley with regards to facial care. The best way to care your face is to do nothing. Brought to you, keep it clean. With soap, Protex soap. Protex.
But the Protex are not paying me.
Protex not paying you to advertise for them.
No, but seriously, I think Protex is antibacterial, really.
Okay.
So you get a good deal. You just wash it off. Because you can't do anything about the bacteria, really. It's in the air, it's wherever. So you just keep your skin clean.
There you go, people. Anti-wrinkle advice from the one and only 71 years old, Miss Ann Bodley, brought to you by Julie Mango Productions.
I made plan not to tell you, village again, my age, you know. You can't tell me age.